What's up, fellas?
What's that?
You said, why am I recording? That's what I do. Look me up on Facebook. I'm so Newark.
Yeah, they like.
We do food and stuff. We're gonna go check out ambassadors. Huh? Oh, no worries. No worries.
It look, you know what I'm saying?
Thanks, man. Hey, family, it's your man Matt DV. I'm so Newark. We are here on Bergen and Lyons Avenue, and y'all check it out. There's a new chicken spot, Ambassadors, right across the street there. We just had a talk with the owner. We going in there. We're gonna do a food review of the new Ambassadors. We call Ambassadors cracked chicken because you just can't have one. One is too many. 1,000 is never enough. Let's go over to Ambassadors and check them out. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, there's the welcome sign right there. Yo. This is like the upgraded version. Let me find out. How you doing? We got marble on the floor. We got some gold lettering, Ambassador, chicken, fish, and chicken. How you guys doing? Yo, this is the Ambassadors crew. We ain't trying to slow y'all down because we already know. They say this is the best chicken, not just in Newark, but in the United States of America.
There you go.
I believe it.
Go.
But y'all know the nickname. What's the nickname? Y'all know the Ambassador nickname? Crack chicken. Crack chicken. You can't eat just one.
Now we drop chicken every 10 minutes.
Every 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, so Khalid, tell us about, you just saying right there, tell us about your business.
Well, Ambassador Fish and Chicken, we're 4 cousins, we grew up together. My younger cousin Talat, he started the place on 11th Street, now moved to 10th Street, and been there since 2004. And since then, now we have 6, this is the 7th store, and we have the food truck in East Orange on Central Avenue. With this store, the plan was, first of all, 90% of the employees here are from the community.
Okay, nice. Wow.
It's also the first store we have a female in the cooking line.
Oh, wow. What? Females working. Word is born.
Because she can, there you go.
She said she cooked better than all of them.
We have 15 employees, 12 from this area, from
Okay.
the community.
Right.
I'm big on that.
Yeah. So you have 12 employees from this area.
Yeah, from this area.
Wow.
Because I was very happy when I moved in here,
Yep.
that the community was happy to have us.
Yeah.
I mean, they were excited, they were waiting for us. And once we opened, we did not do no advertising or any marketing. And we're blessed that we have, as you can see outside,
That's
people
awesome.
are happy to be here. And
Okay.
we're happy that we're here.
Tell us about your chicken. What's going on behind us here?
Well, he's making the fried chicken, the wings, which is our #1 selling item. Then you have the flavored buffalo wings. So these are made totally different than the regular wings.
Okay.
They're different,
Buffalo
they're fried
wings.
different.
Now, are the buffalo wings new?
Well, the buffalo wings, we've always had buffalo and barbecue.
Okay.
Now we have 15 flavors.
15 flavors. That's
15
new.
flavors, that's new.
Okay.
And those are made to order. They're not prepped prior to that.
Right.
They make them. We have the sweet teriyaki, honey hot, honey barbecue, garlic parmesan, 15 sauces. I can't even tell which one is the favorite because it seems like people are ordering different ones.
Yeah.
They're trying it and they're coming back for it.
What should I order?
What should you order?
I gotta get it at least one traditional, but
You've had the wings.
I've had the
Well,
rings.
we're gonna try the wings on Lyons Avenue now.
Okay.
And you should try the. Okay. Well, maybe Jay.
Catfish. She said I should try the catfish, y'all. Okay.
I'm not even a big fish eater.
Right. Okay. So we're gonna get the buffalo wings with the mango habanero. Buffalo wings, mango habanero. And the catfish. That's what we're getting. That's what we're gonna get. Okay.
Alright, so here you go. There go your
Oh,
mango
my
habanero
goodness.
wings. Yeah.
That's the habanero, mango habanero.
Yes.
Oh, we got
Lemon
fries.
pepper French fries. Yes. Here you have your 6 traditional wings.
Lemon pepper. This is traditional, y'all.
Yes.
Where everyone knows
The
the
crack
traditional, but
wings.
y'all not really familiar with these yet.
Yeah,
Oh
there
my
go
goodness,
your
this is too
beautiful
much
catfish.
food. This is too
There
much
you
food
go.
right here, y'all.
Yes.
Look at this. That's a catfish.
Your beautiful catfish.
We about to dig in.
Yeah. Let me know how you like it.
Thank you very much. What's going on, family? We're here at Ambassadors, one of the new stores in Newark, New Jersey. And the first thing I'm gonna do is the buffalo wings, man. We got the habanero mango, right? That's right there. Let's check it out. Ooh, I can feel it's crunchy. Mmm. You know when I'm trying something new, right? I've been coming to Ambassadors, I've been here before. Here's the regular wings, right? I'm so used to them. I'm always hard for me to try something new, but we trying these. They are spicy. They have that mango sweetness to them. Crunchy, tender on the inside. Gotta get that gristle. Some people be like, yo, you gotta stop smacking. He gave me 2 sauces. I forget which one is which, but one of them was like a light mustardy orange look, yellowish, and the other one looked like a traditional sauce. I just forget the name. Honey, spicy honey. Ooh, that was a spicy honey. I'm eating the fries now. I'm putting the fries, I'm dipping them. I gotta get low here, y'all, so y'all can see the food. These are the fries. I'm dipping them in this sauce. That sauce is delicious. Let me try the other sauce. They both taste a little spicy and tangy to me. There is no dining in. They just brought a table out for me so I can sit down and eat and enjoy. We're going to the traditional, y'all. Traditional Ambassador's chicken. And y'all know I like the flat part. That part right there. Look at the steam coming off of there. I'm not even gonna put any sauce on this one. People always tell me, yo, should try the chicken at this place, try the chicken at that place. This is absolutely delicious. I don't even have to bite that off. It just came right off. Let's take that bone out of there so I can just get that deliciousness. I'm gonna put a little of this sauce on there, just a tad, just a tad. You know how some places the chicken looks so good that you want to eat the tips. But you just biting into them tips. This is some good fried chicken. All right, catfish. I got catfish too, y'all. Catfish come in a box like that. I got some catfish here. First time I ever had catfish was in Chicago. Let's try this, y'all. I don't want to drop nothing. No sauce. Straight up, just straight catfish. See that? That catfish looks nice and fresh. Catfish has a distinctive flavor. The catfish is what they call a scavenger fish. It's the fish, it's a bottom dweller. And there's something that must be good about that stuff that be on the bottom. I like the batter. And I'm saying batter, it's just like a powdery type of batter. You guys see it on the video. I want some more chicken. I'm gonna taste some more of the fat catfish. I call it fat catfish. It is pretty fat. Habanero mango buffalo wings. I've never had these before at Ambassadors. You want to come check these out if you're in the buffalo wings. They are a little spicy. You want to check these out. And that flavor, you ever just put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and just suck that flavor right in. It's official, y'all. Ambassadors, Lyons Avenue, Bergen Street, brand new spot. Come check it out. It's like no other Ambassadors I've been to. People have been coming in, regular business. We're gonna have a meetup here. Right now we're looking at the date, May 17th, Wednesday, May 17th, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Come out. We're gonna get about 2, 3, 4, 5 pans of chicken. So you guys can come out, leave your wallet home. I mean, unless you like eat a whole lot, we're not gonna have that much. But we're gonna have several pans of chicken for our subscribers and people who support the channel. I got you, okay? Right here, Ambassadors, Lyons Avenue. Oh man, I'm gonna have to check with the city. I'm imagining like 20 people to show up. Right here. Come by, get some chicken, shake my hand, let's take some pictures. Lyons Avenue and Bergen Street at this Ambassadors. Wednesday, May 17th, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Be here. Come with your appetite. This is so good. Y'all know my stomach's not that big, but I'm gonna put the rest of this down. I mean, one more original. I'm gonna dip one of the fries again. Let's see. The fries are good too. I don't know if you can see the fries. I like these fries.
You know, I used to think McDonald's had the best fries. I know a lot of people like McDonald's, but I used to think their fries when they were hot.
This is Ambassador's original. And the chicken tastes so fresh. This is your man, Matt DV. Eating way too much at Ambassadors. Shout out to Ambassadors. Really grateful. Y'all come by, check it out. Some people go to the restaurants I go to and they'll be like, yo, it was good. And I like that. But I want to hear, if you think it's not good, let me know that too. But they get my sign of approval here. It's official. Don't forget, like, subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified when we go live and when we do other videos. We going up live that day too. The day y'all come out, May 17th, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. The day y'all come out, we're going live. Okay, just talk into that one. Tell us who you are, what's going on.
Okay, my name is Karim. I'm a Moroccan guy. I'm the store manager here. So, and I hope everybody like our food.
Yeah, me.
And I appreciate you because you coming today to make this video about our food, how we cook food,
Yes.
and I hope you enjoy this food.
Yes, I
Thank you very much.
All right, I'm Jay. I am, I'm gonna say his assistant kitchen manager. I'm the boss around here. I'm everybody's boss. You know, I only been working for Ambassadors for about like a month now, but I don't know. I like it. I like the crew. I have a good boss, and the food is good. So, you know, I get two good things at once.
My name is Sammy White, man. I'm from the Bronx, but I live out here in Jersey, you know. But it's a wonderful thing. Yes, I live in Newark right now, and I enjoy working here, man. This is what I do since they opened.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
but I've been cooking for a lot of years.
Yeah.
I enjoy cooking. It's my passion. Everything.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
We appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The
Yep.
food is wonderful.
It is delicious.
And I'm not just saying that because I work here.
I know.
You know, the
Because I
food
don't
is
work
really
here, and
wonderful.
I'm saying yes.
Yes. The mangoes.
It was yes.
Yes. But YouTube, all right. Here it is, Ambassadors, Lyons Avenue, Newark, New Jersey. Holla at your boy, SO. Hey.
People, I love you guys. I thank all of the people who subscribe, all the people who will subscribe. That's a hint. Go ahead and subscribe now. I'll see you guys later. Peace.